Hey everyone, and welcome to Phil Friday. Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of a 2-bedroom villa in Terres Basses called Bamboo.
It's Phil Friday, the whip all line, it's fuzzy, fabulous, satisfying. You can't show fast, but down the phone. Phil Friday's in the house. Sit down, it's fun for the precious voice, the radio thrill. He's a feeling free. Phil.
So the first thing you notice when you drive through the automatic gate at Villa Bamboo is the massive driveway. This allows for easy access for cars to come in and out without having to move anyone or asking someone to move their car because it's in the way. It's a great little feature that you don't often think about when you pull in, but for a driveway of this size, it's fantastic to have. The second thing you'll notice is the doors leading into the property, and let's go there now. All right, so now that we've seen the entryway to Villa Bamboo, let's go take a look inside. So the first thing you'll notice when you enter the villa is that it's completely open. The living room is completely open. That leads right out onto the pool. That leads right over to the kitchen. There's so much open space. But what's nice is that if you want a cooler living room so that you can watch TV in complete comfort, or you can have your meal over at the table feeling comfortable and maybe not as warm, you are able to shut the glass doors and turn on the 2 air conditioning units in the living space. So you have your options here to be as comfortable as you want to be. This living room is absolutely beautiful with gorgeous white furniture, and it's super soft. It's like a cloud. And what's great is it also comes with a large smart TV. So you can sign into your Netflix if you want to watch movies. Then you also have the option of watching satellite TV. So you won't feel like you're missing out on something at home. If you're one of those people who likes to have the news on all the time, or your favorite show is on TV and you just can't miss it, the villa does come with satellite TV in each bedroom and in the living room, so everyone can have exactly what they need. The villa also comes with a stereo system that has a Bluetooth connection, and there are speakers inside the living room, which gives a really great surround sound feel. And then there's also speakers out by the pool for when you want to listen to music while you're out having a great afternoon in the sun. One feature I love at Villa Bamboo is the completely open kitchen. There's no doors, there's no windows, you just are outdoors while you cook. This allows you to kind of be a part of everything without feeling like while you're cooking, you're missing out. And the other fantastic feature is that while you cook, you can look out over the view, out into the ocean, and don't miss a beat. So it has this outdoor feel with all the amenities that you want in your kitchen. The kitchen has all the amenities that you need. It's got 2 refrigerators for when you need that extra space. It's got a stovetop. It's got the sink, coffee maker, electric kettle, toaster, oven, microwave. It also has all the utensils that you would need while you were here. It has all the cookware. It has all the serving dishes, all the plates, all the utensils. So you won't need anything. You'll actually have probably more than you need. And that's always better to have. Directly next to the kitchen is a seating area. This has been an amazing spot to catch the sunset, which is right over the water. And it just is the perfect way to end your day. You can come out here for happy hour, cocktails, hors d'oeuvres. It's a great place to sit and just enjoy all of the beauty that you get here in Terres Basses. Of course, the most important feature when you're staying at a villa is the pool. What's great about the pool here at Bamboo is that there are steps on each side of the pool that allow for you to be able to get into it really easily. But then it gets deeper in the middle. So at the deepest point, you're at about 5 feet. So it's not just a plunge pool, it really does allow you to cool off fully. And the other nice feature here is that the sun is on the pool for the majority of the day. It's also surrounded by palm trees, which gives it a very jungly, comfortable, private feel. And then when you're looking through the palm trees, you can actually see out into the ocean for, of course, the beautiful St. Martin sunsets. So when you walk into the villa, you'll notice that it's a U. On the left side of the U, you have the living area and you have the open kitchen. The bottom half is the indoor-outdoor living area, and on the right side is the 2 bedrooms. What's great about these 2 bedrooms is that they're equal in size. They each feature large king-size beds, air conditioning, ceiling fans, satellite TV. They have walk-in closets and an absolutely massive shower. The shower features rainfall shower and also has a handheld, and you won't feel cramped in there. It's this open bathroom that's super comfortable. So what makes this a perfect villa for 2 couples traveling together is that the rooms are equal in size and they each walk out into the pool. So you'll have your private zones that are equal in size, and then you can each walk out into the pool and enjoy the space together. So Villa Bamboo is just absolutely perfect for the couple that wants to travel by themselves and wants to rent it as a 1-bedroom, or the couples traveling together that want to have an experience together and feel as though everyone got the equal experience. Hey everyone, and thank you for watching Phil Friday. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the wonderful Villa Bamboo, 2 bedrooms, perfect for those couples traveling together, couples by themselves, family. Super comfortable villa that I know that you would love. If you want any more information about this villa, please let me know, or contact St. Martin Sotheby's International Realty, and they will gladly hook you up with this villa. Let them know Phil Friday sent you. All right, everyone, thanks for watching Phil Friday. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you next Friday.
It's Phil Friday.